Hey guys, welcome back. We are today looking at how we can create new images with AI, similar to how we have looked at Midjourney or ChatGPT. So we are using Freepik Pikaso to generate images. For beginner friendly, it's easy to do by allowing any one of you to select from a variety of predefined styles, color, framings and lighting. So we are now going to look at a step-by-step process how this can be done. First is we need to go to this website, which will be available to you in the video description. So you just have to go here and do sign up, and once you do this, you can sign up with Gmail or anything. So just sign in with whatever you want, and any new user creating account here will get 20 free images. Okay, now we are signed in. So let's look at how we can do this. So in the main menu here, we have to select anything here. Like you can select any prompt, or you can just go into AI image generator here, and you can select a style. So it can be anything you want. You want a comic, you can do that. So you can actually give anything here. So let's say mouse, so let's call it dog on the moon. So let's do a comic one. Let's see if it's gonna do this for us. So each day you can do up to 20 images. So yeah, here's what I said. You can go into customization for style. You can pick anything. Okay, I just changed this one. And color, let me go in for something like this. And camera, let's call it cinematic. And lighting, so let's do the okay, it should look like some outer space. So this is what I've done. And okay, I'll also turn on the product enhancer and high quality. So let's do that, and let's do create. So you can customize this, and you can also do that. After you are done with everything and you click create, so you will get 4 options of the images, and if you like it, you can just download this. If you don't like it, you can skip it. So if you don't want to pay for Midjourney, you can do up to 20 free images here. So I've already done 8 images today, so I can do 12. So on any given day, this gets refreshed to 20, and you can do 20 images. So without paying for the images like what you do in Midjourney. I just wanted to explore this free alternative for you. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.